you can see, job 21 on the honey to-do list, degunge the dishwasher. A lot of people won't know how much gunge gets stuck inside the hinges on the dishwasher, which will eventually make it harder to pull in and out and to open. And then obviously you have the outlet pipes and the inside spray fan, and all the seals which collect up quite a bit of dirt. There we go. Let's get to it. All the products that we use are eco-friendly and vegan-friendly. The dishwasher won't just have a quick steam, it will be completely degunged and sanitized. And so will the area that we've been working in at the same time. And you can see it's just a quick preliminary rub before I start the steaming. There's quite a bit of dirt on there. One wipe on the hinge. Okay, that was just the start. I'll give you a video of the finished product.